Right now?
Yep, right
All
now.
Hey everybody, Tex here with some more Today in History. I thought I might tell you, thought I might apologize at first after the fact it didn't happen on Tuesday. I thought I might tell you about that since my cameraman was very busy and putting numbers in and evaluating bikes. If you're wondering what happened today, on the 5th of December in 1945, the famous fighter squadron in the Bermuda Triangle will disappear in the Bermuda Triangle. That'll happen today. That, and also lastly in 1933 the Prohibition will come to the end after the fact of the ratification of the 21st Amendment and abolishing the fact of the 18th Amendment, prohibiting and outlawing all alcoholic beverages. But ever since the fact of bootleggers and rum runners and moonshiners managed to get their way with speakeasies and stuff like that, it eventually will come to an end in 1933. As far as that, nothing else fancy, but that'll happen today, and that, folks, will be Today in History.